Hello, my name is David Daft, and this is my integrated physical education activity. The standard I'll be covering in this activity is the fifth component of the second grade Common Core, which is distinguishing shades of meaning among closely related verbs and closely related adjectives. The basic premise of this activity is that there are note cards on the floor. The students will run in a circle around the cards for a while, 30 seconds at the most. Then the teacher will say stop, and the teachers will each find a card. On the card will be a word. The word on the card is a noun, verb, or adjective. The goal of this activity is for the students to determine which one of the three their word is. Then, whichever one they determine their card is will correspond to a certain action. For a noun, they will do 10 jumping jacks. For a verb, they will do 10 squats. For adjective, they will do 10 lunges. The teacher will check to make sure the student is doing the correct one that the card indicates. This activity will have two parts. The first part will have fairly simple words such as fall, go, vegetable, fruit, rude, and polite. These words are meant to help the student understand the general structure of the activity. The second part is where the words become more difficult. This part can include vocabulary words that the class has been going over for the week. For my example, I used words such as tumble, trudge, cabbage, papaya, hideous, and stiff. Let's use an example here. My friend Dan, he's running in a circle, and he's waiting for the teacher to say stop. And when the teacher says stop, he picks up a card, he looks at it. In this case, the word is tumble. He looks at that and determines that that is a verb. Therefore, he does 10 squats. And as the teacher, you need to make sure they're doing proper form. My friend Dan is doing a good job of that. And once they're done with the squats, they put the card back in the middle and they start running again.